this morning to tell you about a video that I released yesterday about how to make this cute little scarecrow named Sunny. It's an adorable little video and you really don't want to miss it. Hi, good morning. Welcome to the world of colors. This morning we're going to make a colorful fall door hanging, and this is what it looks like. Everything's from the Dollar Tree, and you should be able to make this for about $8. A little less than $8. Because what we're going to need to make it is this orange craft board from Dollar Tree, some little sunflowers from Dollar Tree, a pumpkin from Dollar Tree, wooden pumpkin, an oak leaf from Dollar Tree, and also from Dollar Tree you want to get this craft kit for scarecrows. Really a good deal on this for $1.50. You can make 6 or 8 scarecrows out of this, and we'll be using this today as well. For paint, we have orange, a couple different orange paints, a lighter one and a darker one. These are made by Testers craft paints. And we'll need a rouge color, acrylic, these are all acrylic paints, and a yellow. And you'll be able to see what they look like on in just a moment. So I'll be right back with you and we'll get started. So we'll be using some orange glitter, some gold glitter, which I got these at Walmart, and some tacky glue from Dollar Tree. Okay, now I'll be back with you. What I did on this one was I made the pieces ahead of time because there was so much painting involved in glitter that I made it ahead of time a few of the pieces, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So for the pumpkin, you buy it like this. It's got the raised panels on it for $1.50 at the Dollar Tree, and this is what I did to it. I took the orange acrylic paint and I painted the outside with a sponge brush, and I took a rouge color and I painted the top part all with a sponge brush, and then I took my glue, my tacky glue, and I just ran it right down, squeezing the glue bottle all the way down and around, and then on the sides, but not on this part, just on the sides right here, and then around the middle. And then I put the gold glitter on that and shook it off. And then I had also taken one of the flowers and I put some gold glitter in the flower before I glued it on here. Before you paint it, you take off this little raffia ribbon that they have on it when you get it. It comes with that ribbon on it. You take that off before you paint it and then put it back on when you're done. So that's how I did that piece. And then for the leaf, the oak leaf, we're gonna do it like this. I took yellow acrylic paint and did the outside, and the rouge color to do the inside, and then I used orange glitter to do around the sides with the tacky glue. And then we attached the bow back on and put the little flower that has the orange in it. The orange glitter is in this little sunflower, and that's how that's made. Now all of these pieces, I took the time to put felt on the back because they kind of stick out a little bit on the craft board, and I wanted everything to look nice and finished. So I just laid them on a piece of felt and outlined them, and then I cut the felt out and glued it on the back with the tacky glue. So that's how they turned out. And then we got the craft board. Now the craft kit, it shows you how to make the scarecrows. There's a little invitation or a little information sheet inside there that tells you how to put them together. Pretty easy. There's like 11 pieces to each one. And this is how they turn out. Little boy and little girl scarecrows. Really cute. So we'll use those today too. You can make it like six of them to a package. So it's well worth $1.50 for that. So I'll be right back and we'll get started putting this together. What it looks like and how the things are positioned on here. And I'm going to go ahead and put it together now. This is how it is. I have it set up. Originally I used tacky glue to put all the pieces on, like on this one. But because I have to hold it up so I can show you, I'm going to use hot glue on this one. So I have everything in place. You've got the pumpkin there at the bottom. Now, I just put the pumpkin down just to cover up the bottom of the craft board. Just enough to cover that up. And then I put the boy and girl scarecrows right in the middle. Their hands will stick out a little bit on the sides. On the pumpkin, it sticks out a little bit on the sides. And then I put the oak leaf up here at the top, and its flower just is at the very top, just overlaps the top a little bit, so that you can still use this rope at the top to hang this. So we left this rope on. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these on and put it together. Now see, the back has got the felt on it. So we're just going to glue this on. You don't want to put the glue on the part that's going to overlap, so I'm just checking out where I'm going to put the glue here. Right down the middle. There we go. And then I'm going to put it right on here and center it. I'm going to apply pressure to that for a minute. And then we can put the pumpkin on, and like I said, it just covers the corners, and that's how low you want to go with it. So we'll put some glue on the back of that. And because it overlaps, I just put the glue in the middle. I'm gonna go down and cover those corners up and put it right in the center, like that. And we'll hold that down. And then we'll put the boy and girl scarecrows on there. Making sure not to get glue on the arm that sticks out. Put them right in the middle. Oh, that's glued down quick. And then we'll put him on there. That really sticks fast. They're like a foam material. So everything should be glued on now. And this is what it looks like. I tried it on my front door. It looks really cute. And the glitter really sets it off. Even the scarecrows have little glitter pieces that you put on them. So that was nice, it tied it all in. So there's your colorful fall front door hanger. And I appreciate you coming and seeing this today. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure to like.